wants some media from going away. You know, to go for the Bible. I'm not sure media for the camo. No, come be not go for the Bible. So, or do like a camera. But these are we are more to the chance. I wouldn't worry. Also, do so can be by a time of my dear. What's the mamma only here? Many are getting. Also, we are sent you. Mama ko school mu di fi me senye e kan o say this ebo o so ka this am o ka che ko beti so akotare ko beti so so ni ma ko che beti
abusa for me mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so but mo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification say be next time videos of this nature banya also sabe to makabi more important the academy and here pan say subscribe to the channel get time and watch our content because we always give you the most exclusive information. What does it? Ha. Tell them your Mr. President. Baby, I'll pay Mr. President. Major also mama with two. Whatever. Comment section. Baby, I'm never major also sir. Now, I chanced upon a video when they are a video and NBC bloggers in Nibi a call round a interview Ghana for. Now, me kai say 2024 proud to the 2024 election. Ghana for ne asante for ne other Ghanaians e ka kire say I NDC for say MPP nipa party for MPP for ya kronfo MPP for nsem fata say be mo mato so MPP for you say MPP for diska MPP for you say enu nti obobo fu jo mo nto aba ma MPP be kai campaign yi di mo akotene pa ye kofom ne form for no kokasa mo say oh NDC bloggers ne kra ba hono won be kasa. NDC bloggers say the best way to see Ghana progress is NDC, not MPP. No, say, hey, it's more me to colored TV actually I got black and white. I'm not saying I'm black and white today. Bloggers say and I'm more paying. And I'm say, hey, more me to free senior high school touch I got in kukon I'm not saying I'm more paying kukon getting. Me say, hey, it's more my to one district, one factory at watching. Ama yen akwakoji eyezu eyeza omo se yepe eyezu eyeza me say eh Ghana for agenda 111 wo ho mo me to atwe akwakoji abobolance omo se yepe abobolance Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Borin and Another Kufado am over 140 branded and brand new ambulances Ghana for some pen omo pe abobolance eh ene Ghana for na ekamu. They chose ambulance over ambulance. They chose Nkukon Kiti over one district, one factory. They chose and this very company day. She said, "Do work a community. You know, first one you bought at the Ghana for. They chose ice cream over over free senior high school. Nene. Never trying this for buying. Omo di nyina mama na. Nkoko kiti wonya bia na. Ice cream kaso bebre level 100 for nyina me pa so bia nsa aka. Na afro kwa me ibusa o. No free stress no so omo twia. Eyezu why. Eyezu. Eyeza. Na busa for na bloggers ne say ko bi say omo nim say omo kwa Ghana for adwen wo form te say NDC for nti. Ghana for benya nto wase no ma interview no. Na NDC blogger we dey busa wo nu so koye interview. NDC blogger wo nu so koye interview. Epanyifa se kasa tenti mankumase abusia ka kumye ni kwakonum mo me enko ni ko video ne bra.
If high-rise building and electricity consumption and also can be near Dumson, are we saying say we didn't put any plan in place for such occurrence? Because like I'm saying, it comes through a channel and it's idea you need eba. Enti yenim se machine se ba yenim se definitely eba be ye adwuma say eba be ye say eba be ye say enti ye to ne ye jejejeje no. Are we saying say we don't factor that aspect of a year how do I even put it, development no ye mfa nka ho ana
increase in
exactly ye mfa nka ho ana. And now there's another argument of you say dam no akosombo na ahye no ene na amadum so. Is that really the problem? Is that really the problem? Because you see Olashenya ya say Ebi wo ha kro bi wo ho a wo so ase bibi ba besi a anye ye kura wo phone ping 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 ye bow koko ye mau that ye can say notification no na ebi a wo so de ayede wo de atoto ne ma ye. So yes, ye na ye jitu mu say Ghana we are developing. And I'm even sad that we are still having this conversation but then it is what it is. But the least our leaders can do is at least carry us along. Let us know the real problems on the ground. Let us not, let me say, how a manner you're politicizing and yema affecting the average Ghanaian life. And no na me you do baby I no. Because we are the better politics. Obi ba obeka say we subo obeka say hey ya buy what you say and that is how it is. And so we really never get a long lasting solution to problems that affect the livelihood of Ghanaians. And ola eya na eya sifim kakra. Now one of the things I mean solar panels dia and also mine kania. So me check here na me check kakra me here say solar ye de bo man mu ni ade na tax e da so nye tax ketwa. Enti how are we sending a capacity no? And to me and generate the light na ebe to me as sustaining ya this power outages no. And then na ya dwene ho say bi as taxes so da solar so ebe to me as scrap yama major industrial companies ni ade be to me a crass solar systems ya ba mo de aye adwuma ma. If it's truly true say increase of electricity consumption na cause sa problems ya sanke so beti kakra wola.
Yeah.
But so na ba krom ha no u frefre na u tie taxes e da so enough form. So how does industrial company be a washa ase obeye den na wetumi adapt sa power generation plan no they are running a business. If you bebre people can afford the solar light enti say ye scrap sa tax na ma o man for no etumi aka say okay if this is the case this I can afford enti metumi akra bia ba ye dum kan ya akra at least our system may be falling on another year and look because we are na ho whether you like it or not ebogu so ayana me busam say what is the long term plan na ye dey to kwemo ebe solve because I will not be surprised that abayin beba echemu akọ ebia 4-8 years down the line we will still be talking about doing so.
Me to ade ebia 10 cities na se sia no eye ebia ntumu beba it should be about 10 points 30 pesos 10 pesos. It should be about 10 pesos. It shouldn't be about 12 cities. 2 years ago, now me turn 8 cities. Then me turn 12 cities. Meanwhile, so no. Ye to dollar. I am based on the analogy. Say the rate at which the increasing. Say me 2024, 23%. And if a Niama be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means a bona also be count. I say a content term. I could tell you, Niama, ye digina so me a de to Niama munina bafom. What is the basis? Basic thing. Say I was a deal with your tomb. Petrol, ye the lorry fare at what ye me boaconta. Say the lorry fare to him. When you punish Niama no, ye, you know. So quack of Fadia quack of Guni shop or the Gukem. Car now the goom no car ni to petrol. It was to petrol ni ato petrol mo or better lorry fame. And then yen to petrol yen a Socrates. That's right. The what? It is a me top pure water. Me top pure water 8 cities 2 years ago and now a year ago. Necessary time now not a inflation why your top petrol 14 cities a liter and then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12. Now inflation am 23%. Not dollar nam 15 cedis any other day. Na me to no crano na me to pure water. E bag baako 8 cedis. Na se nyamia ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis. Aba 11. Aba 11. Petrol no ate aba be 2 cedis a free. Yes, inflation no ate by 20% point. Na se still here to pure water ni ma 12 cedis ya. What is the basis amode to sadi emanum? Still not PURC for ebe kache say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say yanto water bill mo yanto light bill mo. What is the basis? Mujina so and they increase light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar
any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jiraso. Anyone sani amani in our form. It is a soft no busa this questioner. Well, Musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question. He did not ask out of ignorance.
Me ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say me say man can say me on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying, and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance. I mean, okay, so me me kind. Oh, me ba. They me kind. Ni say. Asam na oka no. Enkyerese enyama bo enkosuru.
But the
tie je oka no want o de o mapani kan say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will be increased, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can be cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increased, you know. A better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, Yahweh, dear me, my car, me, and I told Madame Maker, say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, me. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about my cancer petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What yes say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I don't mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano creti and other environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Aban Katimin Petro,
is right.
So at the end of
what I say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Argentina, Sanyama way in every. Abina and Davy, Nasa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflation rate, no, the rate at which a Nema increases.
Yes.
If a year 8 cities. The inflation rate of 3.2%, I'm expecting about 8 cities 50 pesos.
I got 50 pesos. 30 pesos.
Now it is 12 cities. Which means on the basis of the inflation rate on the pure water, about 25%.
Yes.
And as I told you the mission, so 8 cities.
Yes.
Now inflation rate at 3.2. Now if I could do 12, the inflation rate no. Me want to say the increment, with which things are increasing, about 27 or 28%. Yes. It does not reflect the 3.2.
Exactly.
And notice there will be inflation about 3.2. I just say the inflation about 3.2. There was a David. Increasing.
Yes.
But at a decreasing rate, which is 3.2.
Yes.
But they are too just about 25%.
Yeah.
So people ask, what is the problem?
Single digit.
Yes. Inflation about 2 single digits from 9 from last year. It has been consistent for almost 6 to 8 months. So we should see. Say, Adia Eresia.
Yeah.
A book cry is insignificant. It should be like 8 cities, 10 pesos. 8 cities, 20 pesos. When you free 8 are copying 12. 4 cities.
David.
Come on.
He's